When you're in flow state, or as athletes call it, the zone, your body is in a relaxed, high performance mode. Your biochemistry is optimized and your whole physiology is on fire. If you're looking to enhance your flexibility and gain more strength from your yoga practice, you need to be able to easily switch into this peak performance mode. If you don't know how, your yoga practice will end up overstressing your biochemistry, causing your body and mind to work against you. You end up simply going through the motions, not really moving forward. 12 minutes a day for 4 weeks is all it takes to learn how to transition your yoga practice to be in the zone, to switch into that mode. If you want to know more, click the link to find out more.